Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I have a Mini Cooper Countryman ALL4 coming from California, West Coast Autobahn. This is your computer, Steve. I have the computer actually ready, but not connected yet to the scanner. It's ready to be tested. So in here, I have the VIN number because he didn't send any paperwork or anything with the computer. Well, as far as I know, it looks like it was a dreaded problem with these vehicles. If you leave but when you replace the back cover or any timing component that you need to replace it or remove the back cover, there is a small ground on the back that it is super important. That ground is for the coils. If that ground is not installed, it will immediately damage the DME, the computer. And I think that's the problem they have. So let's try to see if we can talk to the computer. Let me put the scanner on the screen. I got the ALL Ultra. And I had the multimeter connected to one of the 5-volt reference 1s and sensor ground 1. So let's power up. So I have let me actually move the meter from that corner to here. Like that you can see the meter right now. Sorry, now I'm at the meter, the power. So I have the battery on. I'm going to put the ignition on. This should immediately, well, we definitely have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Immediately look at the 5-volt reference, 1.1 volt. Yeah, I don't think the computer is going to communicate. And these computers should already establish communication automatically. So I'm going to power it off one more time, completely. And I'm going to power off. I just powered off the BCI from the ALL Ultra, and I'm going to turn everything on at one time. So right now you see in the scanner picture on the top of the meter, right where it says DC voltage, on the top of that it says BCMI, and it has an X. It has not connected yet. When this connect, if we have communication, as soon as that connects it to the BCM, it should read the computer. So let's wait for that to become blue or green. Let's see what it does and then see if we can read or not the computer. Okay, it's green and nothing happened. So we definitely have a problem in there. So I'm going to, just for the sake, cancel because I click on the wrong one. So I'm going to try to establish communication, but I know it's not going to work. But this should have read the computer instantly. And let's do a read. And I don't know what is happening with the delivery providers or package carriers like UPS and Postal Service and everything. He paid for next day air and they got 3 days in here. He sent it on Friday and today's Monday. I sent packages from to California as well Friday on Postal Service priority, which is supposed to be 2 to 3 days, and now it's sent until Thursday. So I don't know what is happening with all these companies because they're not really keeping up with their dates. I mean, next day is next day. I don't care if it's Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Sunday. But yeah, so we can see that we have no communication. So let me open this computer and I'm going to perform my tests. Hopefully it's not a burn computer. I tell you know, if I open the computer and it's burnt, it will be no charge. No doubt about it, about that with me. But hopefully I can open it, repair it, and then send this right away to him. All right, I'm going to start the video and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I just finished the repairs. So I'm going to show you closely. That is the VIN number on the sticker, on the upper sticker. The last digits should be N15502. Right, so computer is already cooled down, so I can turn it on. I got the meter and the scanner in there. Again, you know, right where it says DC voltage on the multimeter, on top of that, we have the BCM. Right now has an X because it's not even power on. But when this computer connects, we should not only read the 5-volt reference, we should connect and read the VIN number automatically without me doing anything. So let's try that. All right, so let me, battery and ignition. Now, all right, we got a very good sign right now. We got a 5-volt reference that was not there. So I'm going, in the meantime, the scanner is connected. I'm going to move the 5-volt reference 1 to 5-volt reference 2, which is in pin 20. We got the other firewall reference. So everything is now, this computer should communicate instantly as soon as our BCMI connects. So let's wait for that. All right, perfect. Look at right there, N15502. So that's it. Realistically, this is all I need to test on this computer. We have good communication. We can read the big number, and that was not there. So how is this computer? Completely fixed and is ready to go. I'm just gonna seal it up, get the invoice ready for Steve in Westcoast A in California, and then send this right away because they need this instantly. I mean, they need this immediately. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. If you have a Mini Cooper, any automotive or marine instrument cluster, ECMs, I'm your best company. Please send that to me and you will be in the best hands. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.